Hey everybody, Chris with the Christie Reese Group, just checking in with you. It is Thursday, just a hair after noon. Sorry we're having some technical difficulties, but I am filling in for Christie today. She's traveling and we're making a change. So usually at noon, we would have our Keeping It Real segment, but we're now changing it to How's the Market on Thursdays. So I'm sure you've noticed that we've added a couple new video segments to our Facebook. We have Mojo Mondays. We're gonna be starting Team Tuesdays, and Team Tuesdays is gonna be where we talk about hot real estate topics and questions that we've been getting from clients in the community. So that'll be starting next week on Tuesday, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, no more Keeping It Real on Thursdays. We've got How's the Market, so we're gonna fill you in on some market stats and discuss some of our listings that we have. So let me give you a little breakdown of some very interesting numbers. So right now on the market, there are 163 active homes. That's down from 177 last week. Theme for the year, inventory's been very low, very challenging for buyers. And you know, there's a change of 14 actives compared to this time last week. Same thing we're seeing with the number of homes currently pending. As of today, we have 568 homes pending, and that is up from 529 last week. Year to date, 1,054 homes have sold at an average days on market of 79. So homes are flying off the shelves. The average price of homes year to date is sitting at $343,800. Largely different from this same time frame last year. So year to date in 2020, the average was $298,300. So about a $45,000 increase in the average sale price of homes. The median home price, a little lower, year to date is sitting at $310,000, and that's also up from last year. It was at $275,000 as of April 22nd last year. Very interesting stats as far as current active homes. The average list price of current inventory is shocking, to say the least. $695,000 is the average list price of currently active homes on the market. And the median is $485,000. So there are some outliers. You know, we have a couple very, very high-end homes and pieces of land and property on the market. So that's, you know, skewing things up a little bit, but with a sample size of 163 homes, the data, you know, it kind of skews a little bit each direction. Main point being, we're not seeing a lot of homes on the market. Our current active inventory is down about 75% compared to this time last year. So everything's getting bought up quickly, and it is challenging. But we've got the tools to help our clients navigate this challenging market. So think about reaching out to us, of course, if you have any questions. Aside from stats, let's talk about some of our properties of the week. The first one is Christie's listing up at 4555 Kannah Creek Road. This one is listed at $350,000. It's on 40 acres. You're looking at 2,036 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. You've got 360-degree views, and it's a move-in ready manufactured home with a huge 4-car detached garage. The second one is also Christie's listing at 1187 Olson Circle. This one's 1,442 square feet, also a 3-bed, 2-bath, and that one is listed at $265,000. It's in Orchard Mesa. It's really close to the Colorado River, and it's got access to a really cool trail system, not even a half a block away, where you can get down to the river. So keep an eye out for that one. Number 3, we have Jen Taylor's new listing at 2978 Brookwood Drive. That's in the Northeast. That's listed at $328,000. It's 1,846 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an awesome master suite, great views from upstairs, and mature landscaping. And they've done a bunch of updates inside. So keep an eye out for that one as well. And if you would like to take a tour, reach out to us and we'll put you in contact with Jen. So that's it for our properties of the week. And that's also it for our inaugural How's the Market. So sayonara to keeping it real on Thursdays, but keep your eyes out for some of our new video series, and we'll catch up with you next Thursday at noon for another episode of How's the Market. Hope you all have a great day.